Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Shantae, with my business, Shantae's Travel Things. I design and create travel themed products for the everyday traveler. Whether you're a solo traveler, you travel in groups, with family, friends, you name it, your girl makes it. And, Now, basically, what this video is all about is to explain my weekly goals every week, just so you guys can see me grow this business. Now, this week is week 21 of the year. And basically, I have a goal weekly and then every individual day, leading up to either craft fairs or pitch competitions or whatever it is. I just have goals so that way I can kind of stay focused and get more work done. So today, I have a list over here. This Sunday, I plan to make at minimum six backpack coin purses. I'm running kind of low. The last couple of craft fairs, they've been kind of selling, which is good. So I need to replenish. Monday is going to be the shoulder crossbody backpack. I'm going to try to make at least 3 shoulder crossbody backpacks. I haven't made a new one in months, probably since January, February. So I'm running very low. And not all I have left is least popular patterns, which is actually good because now they're selling. So that's kind of good, but I need to make at least 3 more. I need to replenish that. They are backpacks I can convert into a purse or a shoulder bag, or it's a purse or shoulder bag I can convert into a backpack. The beach totes, I'm gonna try to make 2 or 3 on Tuesday. Those do take a while to make. I have removed interfacing from the main body front and back, but I keep the the stiff interfacing on the sides and the bottom just so the bag can still stand up. You see, on Wednesday I'm going to try to make 6 more coin purses minimum. This is minimum. 6 more backpack coin purses. Again, I've been running low, and that's one of my top 3 most popular items. On Thursday, I'm going to make 3 more shoulder crossbody backpacks because, guys, I am running low. I have less than 10. So I really need to replenish that because, again, that's one of my other top 3 most popular items. It was actually my backpack coin purses, which is basically a coin purse. I should have a little backpack to go with my travel theme, my shoulder crossbody backpack, my original design as well, and my dry bag. Those are the top 3 most popular items that I sell at craft fairs. Okay, and Friday, I'm gonna again make 2 to 3 beach totes. I need to replenish that. I was running low as well. And if I have time, because I have a craft fair this Saturday, if I have time, I'm also going to try to make some more duffel bags, some insulated lunch bags, a water bottle holder, and then my honeybee and donut mini foam gusset purses, because those are actually very popular. I'm so mad I didn't think of to make these bags since last year or something, or earlier this year, because they are actually a really popular item, and the honeybee and the donut are very popular, and unfortunately they are being discontinued. So if you like these patterns, please go to my website, ShantaeTravelThings.com, and get it now, because once they're gone for good. Those patterns are being discontinued, so I can only remake a few more. And the insulated lunch bag, the water bottle holders, and the duffel bags. Well, the duffel and water bottle holders are a completely new product I've never made before, so that would be the first time. The lunch bags, I think I've only had it introduced at one craft fair, so this would be kind of fun. Yeah, so anyway, that's my goal for week 22. Ignore the mess in the background. I didn't feel like setting up my whole backdrop and all that. That's too much work. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and so you can be the first one to know what I'm doing with Shantae Travel Things. Again, I design and create travel themed products for everyone who likes to travel or do outdoor activities, kayaking, whitewater rafting, going to the beach, whatever it is that you do outside your house, I got something for that. Okay, bye.